2, 3.
Hello, my name is Alexander B. Fremer. I'm a human rights advocate and I'm promoting human rights around the world. And in Africa, Tanzania, they are killing the albinos. They are cutting their hands and feet off for ritual purposes. If you go on the internet, Google, you see this. And my mission is to promote human rights around the world, seeking justice and equality for all people who are affected by prejudice and discrimination. These people are in hiding, and the ground is so hot for them. And I want everybody to join me around the world so we'll bring justice and equality to the albinos. They are suffering, they are in hiding, the ground is so hot. And I want people to join me so we can help to make the ground sweet for them. They are suffering, they are over 150,000, and they are in the capital city, running for their lives. So I'm asking all people around the world to sympathize with me, to join me, that we all will bring peace to these people. Their rights have been abused. Their human rights have been violated. And I'm calling on everybody around the world to do something, the United Nations, the United States of America, Great Britain, to come to their aid. I am just a human rights advocate. I'm just a freedom fighter who's seeking justice and equality for them. Thank you so much, and God bless you.